What really happens when you type google.com in your browser? Open any browser and type google.com and we can see the browser starts loading. Immediately in milliseconds google.com loads. Have you ever wondered how it is working? Let us now try to understand the process behind it. When you type google.com, your browser doesn't actually know where Google is. Computers don't understand names, they understand numbers. So the browser uses something called DNS. DNS works like the internet's phonebook. It translates google.com into an IP address, the real location of a server. This found IP is returned to browser. Now browser checks its cache to check whether this IP is previously used or not. If it is already available in cache, then browser is ready for next process. Else browser stores this IP address and proceeds further. Now let's see what happens next in this process. Now that the browser knows where Google is, it needs to connect securely. Two important things here in doing so are TCP and HTTPS. First, a reliable connection is created using TCP. Then HTTPS encrypts everything that follows. This ensures your data stays private, and that you're talking to the real Google. Browser sends request hits Google infrastructure, like load balancers. Google internally does receive request, query massive search index, rank results, prepare response. Prepared response sent back in HTML, CSS, JS files. Browser rendering starts once it receives the response. Now browser has to do so many things to load a proper page. Browser parses HTML, applies CSS, executes JS, paints pixels on screen. Now browser loads the web page properly. In this way, using DNS, IP address, TCP, HTTPS, HTML, JS, CSS, helps us to load web pages efficiently. And that's what really happens when you type a website into your browser. This entire journey, from DNS to rendering, happens in milliseconds. Thank you for watching VisualCodePulse, tech explained visually.